Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? It's a really great news for all of you. I hope Dogecoin holder they will make you millionaire now after this video. Exactly, my friend, you understand to really can they will make you millionaire. And this video I predicate this coin. I share my opinion on it. So kindly holder, you need to watch this video and absolutely what's next, my brother. I will tell you now. Let's see what prayer. Kindly please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So the change occurred last 7 days to last 1 hour. All change occurring last 1 hour. All change occurred negative now, my brother. And what's the reason to devil negative? The reason is absolutely, my friend, this to every cryptocurrencies is fails down, especially in those days, because short time investors they are starting selling in those days, so therefore they are fails down. So Dogecoin holder, as you can see over this time, especially the market cap rank has come to 6. So exactly they will hit, my friend, again 5. But if they hit, my friend, half USD dollar, especially WeChat, my brother. So let's see there. I hope I hit now, but we need to hold it now, my brother. Absolutely, if I predicate this coin, you better understand. But kindly don't skip any second to understand better now. The last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this chart, as you can see, my brother, this is the change occurring last 7 days. 17.94% fails down. It's mean to the price is lost, my friend, just only in last 7 days, and 17%. Oh my goodness, it's a very bad news for all of you. But I hope they will make you millionaire if they hit now again half USD dollar. So I hope they will not stop move and they will completely go in the moon. Let's see, my brothers, to what day. But my prediction is absolutely going to be positive now, because as you can see, my brother, absolutely I use formula, my friend, and after this, my friend, you better understand now. So exactly they will moving upward now in upcoming time, because every cryptocurrency is after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So therefore at the last point, as you can see, my friend, the arrows is moving upward now. So therefore I know to upcoming time this coin is moving upward now. Let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly holder, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Like videos, subscribe channel.